This is a super simple eye look that you can totally recreate and it works for every eye shape. So yay! Starting off with this light pink color that I'm going to place only below my brow bone. Make sure you do not take this color onto the inner corners, otherwise your eyes will look small. Then I'm going to place this shimmer shade in the middle, which is the main shimmer of this look. And for the inner corners, I'm using this really light pink, almost silvery shade. Make sure you connect it to your crease. That really opens up your eyes. Then I went in with this dark color that I placed first with the smaller brush, and then I'm buffing it. Please take all the time in the world to blend that color because that's the part that ends up looking patchy and spoils your look. I'm going in with the shimmer again and I'm applying it this time with my fingers to make sure it's more pigmented. Then I did my lower lash line, started off with the lightest color. Then I went in with the shimmer that we applied in the middle. And lastly, I'm going to go in with the dark color that we applied at the ends. And it's going to be concentrated only in the outer half of the eye. Otherwise, again, eyes will look small. This is the finished look with mascara. This is with lashes. You can do whatever suits you. And this is a close-up. Bye.